Today I'm going to teach you how to change tab name in Webflow. This is a simple but important customization that helps you keep your site organized and makes it easier to navigate between different pages in your workspace. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're on the site, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can see all your projects and sites. In your Webflow dashboard, navigate to your All Sites section. Here you'll see a list of all the sites you've created or have access to. Hover your mouse over the site where you want to change the tab name. When you do this, you'll notice an option appear that says Open in Webflow. Go ahead and click on that to open your site in the editor. Once your site loads in the Webflow editor, look towards the upper left side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with several options. Click on the Pages button. This is where you manage all the pages and tab names within your site. It's a crucial section for organizing your site's structure and navigation. After clicking on Pages, you'll see a left panel appear with a list of all your current tab names. These might include names like Home, Style Guide, Contact, or any other pages you've created for your site. This panel gives you a clear overview of your site's structure and allows you to make quick edits to any page. Now, navigate your mouse to the specific tab name you want to change. Once you've located it, click on Edit Page Settings. This action will open up a detailed settings menu for that particular page, giving you access to various customization options, including the page name, SEO settings, and more. In the settings menu, you'll see a field labeled Page Name. This is where you can change the tab name to whatever you prefer. Click into that field and type in your new preferred name. Take a moment to think about a name that's clear and descriptive, as this will help you stay organized as your site grows. Once you've entered your new name, click Save to apply the changes, and there you have it. You've successfully changed the tab name in Webflow, making your site easier to manage and navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.